Welcome back everyone. This is where we left off our last video where we discussed about the problem that when we give the value 100 as the input, even though 100 is getting divisible by 10, the result we are getting is undefined, and that is because of this. So if we put this statement, maybe let us say below this particular if condition, would it change anything in the execution? Let us check it. I'm giving the value 100. I'm still getting undefined. So basically, wherever you give this, it does not bring much difference. So now let us come up with a different approach. Let us say that I want to check first of all whether the number is a two-digit number, and then only I will test this. And if it is not a two-digit number, then I will check whether the number is a three-digit number. If it is not a three-digit number, then I will check whether it is a one-digit number. Then only I will do whatever is required. So first of all, to test whether a number is a three-digit number, I can say that I will use some kind of approach. Let us say if there is a three-digit number, I will divide it with some number which is bigger than three-digit. Let us say 1000. Okay, if I try to divide a three-digit number with 1000, then I will get the quotient as 0. That represents that the three-digit number is of course not divisible by 1000. So if I can put it in a condition, then maybe I can say that this number is a three-digit number because it is not divisible by 1000. So let us put it in an if condition. Let us say I will write if number when divided by 1000, I'm getting the quotient value as 0. And if this happens, that means I'm saying that this is a three-digit number. Okay, first of all, let us try to find out whether it works. Execute it. I have to supply a three-digit number. 100. Let us give three-digit number. Supply. It is still giving undefined. That means this alert statement is not getting executed. That means this value itself is giving a false. Why is it giving false? First of all, let us try to print this value. What might be this value in JavaScript? I'm printing an alert again here, and here I am printing the value, this number divided by 1000. What is the value of this one? Go check it. Apply the value as 100, and when I submit, it is saying 0.1. Number divided by 1000, that is 100 divided by 1000. It is giving the value as 0.1. It must be some flaw from JavaScript point of view, but this is something that we are getting as a result. And so when we try to test it as number divided by 1000 is equal to 0, we are actually, this part is actually getting converted as 0.1. 0.1 is not equal to 0, and so this is getting failed. So how to make sure that number by 1000 is considered as 0 rather than 0.1? The one way we can do is using this method parseInt. So let us parse this value. Let us check it here first of all. Let us put this into our bracket, and then just before the bracket, let us call this parseInt method. And now let us check whether it gives me a 0. Yes, it gives me a 0. Because it gives the 0, now this will be satisfied, and so it should be three-digit number. But again, as we have seen, we have changed the parseInt here, but we have not put a parseInt here. So let us modify it further and make it as parseInt of number by 1000 is equal to 0. If this gets satisfied, this alert window with three-digit number must be satisfied. Let us go back to the execution, give the value as 100, 0, fine, and then it says it's a three-digit number. This is exactly what I needed. So Let's go back to the code. If it is a 3-digit number, then I will check whether the received number is a 2-digit number, and I will follow the same approach here. Instead of dividing it by 1000, I will divide it with 100, and if it gets satisfied, then I will say that it is a 2-digit number instead of a 3-digit number. Okay, let's check it. I'm supplying the 2-digit number. 10 divided by 1000 gives 0, and then 10 divided by 1000 gives that it is a 3-digit number. 10 divided by 100 also gives 0, so it is a 2-digit number, and satisfied. Okay, so basically 10 is a 2-digit number, we have got it. And there could be another one. Let us say there could be another if condition where I will write the code somewhat like this. Here I will make it as 1-digit number, and I will make it divided by 10. So if a number is divisible by divided by 1000 and the quotient is 0, then it must be a 3-digit number. And if the same number is divided by 100 and if the quotient is 0, that must be a 2-digit number. And if the same number is divided by 10 and if the quotient is 0, that means it must be a 1-digit number. Okay, so let me supply 1 as the value, and I'm clicking the submit. It's a 3-digit number, 2-digit number, 1. I'm not getting this 1 value at all. Why? I'm taking this 1. I have got this 2-digit number, and after that 1 divided by 10 gives 0. Why am I not getting this alert called 1-digit number? Let us try to print what this value means. Alert this value. Okay, I'm giving the value 1. When I click submit, 0, 3-digit, 2-digit, and percent of number by 10, that is 1 by 10. 1 by 10 gives me 0. And if it is 0, of course, it is a 1-digit number. And if it is a 1-digit number, I'm getting the value. Now, this nested if condition tells a lot of things. We are checking 3 different layers of testing. We are first of all testing whether the received number is a 3-digit number. If it is a 3-digit number, then we are checking whether it is a 2-digit number, whether it is a 1-digit number, and so on. So if we say the innermost if condition, if I put else for it, what does it mean? If it is not a 1-digit number, it must be a 2-digit number, right? Because we are already part of the 2-digit number block. If the number is divided by 100 and the quotient is 0, then it must be a 2-digit number. And if that number, when divided by 10, it does not give 0, that means it is not a 1-digit number, then it must be a 2-digit number. There is only one possibility left. So if it is a 2-digit number, then you have to do this part. Let's put it there. Okay, so if it is a 2-digit number, we will perform whether it is a 10 multiple. Okay, And then if it is a one-digit number, then we will perform this part. And now let us try to execute it. I'm supplying, let us say, 1. It gives lots of alert windows, and then at end we got 1. Sorry. Here I'm changing it to 10. When I submit, there are lots of alert windows, and then it says 10 by 10 gives 1, so it is a 2-digit number. 10 multiples if block is getting executed, and so it gives me the value 10. If I change it to 100, lots of multiple alert blocks and no change at all. Let us run this program whole again, give the value 10, and then after these alert windows are over, we are getting 10. Let us run it again, give the value 100, and lots of alert windows again, but I'm not getting any value. And this is how we solve the undefined problem. That's it for now. In the next video, we will see how to implement the other numbers.